Alright folks, no introduction required. This is an internet, and it should be as simple as plugging it into the wall and letting it connect, or so the guy at Verizon said. My man, other people I know have this internet and seen it in action. This is just gonna be a quick video. Try to set it up. By the way, if you haven't seen my video on the Straight Talk mobile hotspot, I would highly recommend watching that, as at the very least we'll be able to compare perhaps the speeds, how easy the setup is, and all that stuff. Very nice. Nice and simple. I'm not sponsored by Verizon. I'm simply a humble man trying to make a living. So they say just to plug it in, so let's just plug it in. Looks like you've been properly packaged, my dear. It feels like there's something in this. Nope. Just extra reinforcement. Alright. Okay. 2 more boxes. There's one. And this is not a box. The dastardly false box. Hey, witty fellows there down at Verizon. Nah, the baby bell. We have an Ethernet cable that is a flat cable. Never seen that before. I mean, I'm sure I've seen it, but I've never encountered it. And here's the power. Very simple. I'm not gonna bother filming me plugging in the outlet, because that would be boring. But I will do. Set this bad boy up right here. Plug it in, plug it in. It's down here. I don't want to show it because there are numbers there, sensitive information, so you'll have to trust me. So there we go, it's got a fan. There we go. We have a red light. So what I'm gonna do is try to connect with my phone to the Wi-Fi. The guy at the Verizon store said it'll take about 20 minutes. In his words, it'll probably take less time than that, but we just say 20 minutes. So it's been about 5 to 10, and I'm actually going to set a timer right now, which I should have done to begin with, but boo-hoo. Right when I went to change the camera battery, it switched over to the white light, but that's fine, everything's in working order. This is crazy. Apparently I can scan a QR code to sign into Wi-Fi. Wow, I must say I'm amazed. This really was an easy setup. If this actually is the end of the setup. Alright, so my computer's being its normal self and not connecting, so I will press the button on the router. See? There we go. Worked that time, not when pressing the password, so that's cool. It's hot in here because I have the air conditioning off, so all of you can hear. And yes, that is the neighbors. It's a business behind the street, that air conditioning. Look at that. It's pretty good. The hoodlums in the hotel across the way. This is a first time setup, so this may go quicker or slower in the future, but this is definitely some of the fastest internet I've ever had in my life. So again, I apologize about the planes and the background noise, but this really was a very simple, extremely simple setup, possibly the most simple setup to any device I might have ever had, honestly. I'm not paid by Verizon, just so you know. But another couple things about this is that you can supposedly unplug this and take it somewhere, take it anywhere, they say, and plug it in. And as long as you have a 5G connection, because it runs off the networks, you'll be doing pretty good. And they said that it'll run off of a 4G, if that's all you have access to. I have yet to test that, but so far it's everything as promised. Literally, I only have one cable into this thing, and it's the power cable. And the only thing I typed in was a password, which is on the bottom of it. And it comes with an Ethernet cable, which is cool. So if I decide to game Osti Pebbles and Chogmander, y'all will be happy to see that. Alright folks, sorry if that wasn't the most high quality video. It was kind of spur of the moment. I had to get internet and I had to see if this thing was as promised, because it seemed too good to be true, and it doesn't seem that way anymore, so I don't think anybody cares. But maybe I'll do a video later on how it actually runs over time. I'm sweating. I hope you all have a good day. This is your friendly neighborhood Bran Flakes. Take care, be safe, get a VPN. I've connected my lavalier microphone to the next